So Webflow it's its own thing. It's a new technology that's a graphic user interface for HTML and CSS. And what that kind of means is, when computers first started, you used to have to move the cursor with the mouse, or with the keyboard. Like there were buttons that said move on the keyboard. And so eventually technology advanced enough where you could click and drag. Apple was the first one to add clicking and dragging, right? So this is that next step. This is a new technology that doesn't create like a builder or a plugin like Elementor or WordPress, which like has a component library and then converts to PHP and then to HTML and CSS. I know it's really technical. I don't want to get too much into the weeds, but that is what this is. It's clean code, but it uses a no-code or light code editor. So it's faster for developers to play around with things, see them in real time. I don't have to make an edit and then publish the site to a server to see how it looks. I can see it in real time. I'm way faster with it. There's built-in animations that make JavaScript way easier and way simpler, which take a site to that next level. Like you add animations and stuff, that interacts on scroll. It makes your site look so cool. And this site makes it really, really easy. But then also, it hits that same broad range that I liked WordPress for, but then it also helps that really high level design and development too, where if you've got a web app, you can code it all, you can design it all in Webflow, and then you can export the code because it's clean, send it right to a dev team, and they can build a web application. So it has more range than WordPress. It's faster. It's more ADA compliant, which is a big one too. ADA is the American Disabilities Act. You have to have handrails and ramps leading into your office building. That's required for everybody. And the same is true for your website. The main thing that you'll get digged on for ADA compliance is image descriptions. Your website is being used by people who are image impaired, and so it has to read through the page and describe what's on the page. And if your image doesn't have a description of what it is, then it's no longer ADA compliant. So Webflow has tools built in to make it the most accessible as well, which I think, to your point, you were saying, are there any platforms that aren't doing a good job with security? I think most are doing an okay job with security outside of WordPress. I don't think anybody's taking ADA compliance to the same level of seriousness as Webflow.